Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. Today I will tell you about 10 tips to become a successful business owner. Identify a profitable niche, choose a market that you know well and offers profitable opportunities. Create a solid business plan, develop a detailed business plan that outlines your vision, goals, and strategies. Focus on customer satisfaction, provide excellent customer service that distinguishes you from the competition. Build a strong team, hire talented and motivated employees and provide them with opportunities to grow. Network and build relationships with suppliers, partners, and other business owners to grow your businesses collectively. Embrace technology, use technology to streamline processes, increase efficiency, and better serve your customers. Monitor financials closely, keep track of your finances closely and ensure that your cash flow is always healthy. Continuously improve, actively seek feedback and strive to improve your products and services to meet the evolving needs of your customers. Stay adaptable, remain flexible and adaptable to changes in the market, consumer behavior, and industry trends. Stay motivated, stay driven and focused on your goals, even during challenging times. A positive attitude can go a long way in achieving success as a business owner. Thank you for watching.